My name is James Cook. I was born in the United States when I was 15. Did you know carrot cake, as you see right here, is one of the most healthiest pieces of cake you can eat in your whole life? This is a wooden ball. You know some people collect angels in no faces? Joy. There's a girl at our school named Joy. Guess she's rich. Personally, I like to eat dude eggs. The best thing in the world. Sprinkle yourself a little cinnamon. And what powder? I don't know what to say.
Say more about you.
More about me. I like tigers. I like gorillas. I like turtles. That's the stupidest thing ever. I don't know what to say, man. So back in 1983, when Pearl Harbor happened, I remember I was sitting on the USS whatever time, and I was taking my mid-morning, mid-afternoon dump. You see, I was just about to squeeze it out when them alarms went off, and 2 seconds later, boom! All I can remember, that Duke fell in my butt, and I was in the water with my trough down. Wooden bowl. You notice a wooden bowl? Right here? Wooden bowl? You know healthy cakes? Or carrot cakes? This is the stupidest documentary ever. And now if you're still watching this, you need to get alive. Because this is wasting 4 minutes of your time. Because I'm giving you useless information. Did you know a Mustang can run? I don't know how many feet a Mustang can run. I know it can run pretty fast though. I know they can run, just they don't have a car named after them. Well, let's see here. This is called a grinding stone. Pretty simple. Grind people. The Himalayas. Himalayas grind people. I gotta go.